to an all present here. I'm Ramya Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I'm going to share a small article regarding Hadoop. So what is a Hadoop? Hadoop is an Apache open source framework written in Java that allows distributed processing of large data sets across clusters of computers using simple programming models. A Hadoop framework application works in an environment that provides distributed storage and computation across clusters. Hadoop is designed to scale up from single server to thousands of machines, each offering local computation and storage. In short, Hadoop is an open source software framework for sorting and processing big data in distributed way on large clusters of commodity hardware. So why we need a Hadoop? Because it is mainly an open source framework, massive data storage and faster data processing. And also it adds up low cost. It is an open source framework and uses commodity hardware to store enormous quantities of data. And also Hadoop is based on distributed computing model, therefore more number of computing models, the more processing power at hand. And also it is very scalable, adding more nodes as the system grows and requires less administration. And also the flexibility provides convenience of storing as much as data as one needs, and also added flexibility of deciding the data and executing applications. And also it provides inherent data protection, protects the data and executing application against hardware failure. If a node fails, it automatically redirects the jobs that had been assigned to this node to the other functional and available nodes. And these are the Hadoop components. So Hadoop has four types of components. One is Hadoop Common, Hadoop Distributed File System, Hadoop MapReduce, and Hadoop Yet Another Resource Negotiator. So Hadoop Common consists of Java libraries and utilities required by other Hadoop modules. These libraries provide file system and OS level abstraction and contains the necessary Java files and scripts required to start Hadoop. And next is your Hadoop Distributed File System, a distributed file system that provides high throughput access to application data. And the MapReduce, this is a yarn based system for parallel processing of large data sets. And Hadoop Yet Another Resource Negotiator is a framework for job scheduling and cluster resource management. These are the components, and here the MapReduce is used for processing, and HDFS is used for storage, and Yarn and Common is used for operations. And this is their Hadoop ecosystem. The Hadoop ecosystem support project to enhance the functionality of Hadoop core components. The eco projects are as follows. First is Hive, Pick, Scoop, HBase, Flume, Oz, and Mahout. So the Hadoop MapReduce, Mahout and Spark is used for data processing, and the Ooze and then Zookeeper, Apache Amgot, these are used for data management. And the resource management is handled by Hadoop Yarn, and the data access is handled by AccessPeak, Phoenix, and Hive. So the data storage is maintained by Hadoop HDFS, HBase, and Cassandra. Here the Hadoop has the conceptual layer. It is conceptually divided into data storage layer, which stores huge volumes of data, processing layer which processes data in parallel to extract richer and meaningful insights from data, and also high level architecture of Hadoop. Hadoop is distributed as master-slave architecture. Master node is known as name node and slave nodes are known as data nodes. And master HDFS, its main responsibility in partitioning the data storage across the slave nodes. It also keeps track of location of data on data nodes. And next is the master MapReduce. It decides and schedules computation tasks on slave nodes. So finally, Hadoop is basically an open source framework which is written in Java that allows the distributed processing of large data sets across clusters of computers. And the main key features of Hadoop is used for massive data storage and also faster processing of data, and also the flexibility, scalability, and data protection, so that the Hadoop is very commonly used data storage for for massive storage and also for faster data processing. And also adding up the features, we have it is an framework based application, an open source, distributed, and also has all the features for storing the data and also the processing of the data. Thank you.